Hello everyone, Alan here, Half Acre Homestead Outdoors. Been a while since I've been on here, but we thought we'd get on here and been under the weather. And Dad passed away a couple months ago, so we just we ain't been on much. But we're gonna get back on here, get back into the groove of things. Thought we'd bring you out here to chicken lot. It's been a little muddy. We built a little barn, but we're going to have to move it because code violations. So we're going to build it in a different spot and build it bigger and better. So, but we thought we'd jump on here today, and we got a muddy mess out here. Let's see the chickens and all the animals. My little stick here ain't much count, but it's drying up a little bit, but it's rough out here. I mean, it's rough. But we figure we'll get out here and show you around a little bit. We built this barn here. Let me get this. Built this barn here, little barn. What are you doing? That's Punky and Spice. And we got Latte over there. She, I think she's gonna have some babies. But it's been a muddy mess. Thought we'd come out here and see if the chickens left as a present today. Oh, they left one. So that's good. Good to know. Then we got a few little babies in here. Got a duck egg over there. See it right there in that corner. I got where they laying everywhere. I only got 2 ducks and both of them's laying. She's trying to nest. She keeps moving it on us. She's got a nest right here. And then she's got one over there. Sun shining. Trying to. Got a few clouds. Well, I got a whole lot of clouds. It was sunny out here earlier. These girls are doing good. They just ain't laying real good right now. But hopefully they pick up here in the next week or two. So I got a bunch of customers wanting eggs. And there's one. Oh, you better quit biting. That one, she likes to take your fingers. But they're all doing pretty good. Ducks. They're messing around in the mud. Got a bunch of roosters. I mean, it's a muddy mess. All this rain and snow we've had. Watch out, girls. Watch out. Let me go over and see if you got any eggs. Them dummies. That there was on the nest. And I just scared her. They're all doing good, but they hating all this mud. And I try to keep straw down, but it's not doing no good because they mix it right back up in the mud. These girls here, black copper Moran, and got a few different ones in here. Got a little mud on them. Up there. There's a fancy cut. Got one there trying to learn how to crow. Anybody need any roosters? I got plenty. We thought y'all would bring y'all out here and show you around. I know it's a little video, might be a little shaky. He just now learned to crow, I think. Yeah, but we got plenty of roosters. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yeah, I got 23 roosters. I don't need all of them. 24 roosters to be exact. These girls here, they're doing pretty good. They look pretty good. But we're going to build a 20 by 18 barn right here. This is the driest spot we got out here. And this is where we're going to build a barn. A little 20 long and 18 wide. Then we're going to move all them pins. We're going to have all of them in the barn. That way, they're being dry, and we're going to put little runs on the outside. But, yeah. Get rid of all this stuff here. Except for the hoop coops, I'm going to keep them. Gotta get some grass growing. I'll run them out here in the yard. Got my fence. But we're gonna get her worked out. We're gonna run here some eggs and this chicken. These are my last year's chickens, my pullets. And they're just now starting to lay. We got 3 in here today. So they're doing better. They lay all hours of the day. Got a mess. I gotta get cleaned up. Gotta get all that air cleaned up. And but we're gonna, got my little lawnmower shop. Let me show you it. It's my lawnmower shop in here. Got one here I'm fixing to start working on. Pretty nice in here, pretty nice and warm. Got me a little podcast table set up back here. Might start doing some podcasts. But I'm going to show y'all this. Then we got 42. These here are going to hatch in about 7 days. We got all regulars and Easter eggers. And we got these over here. These got about 20 more days on them. Got 5 so far today. Yeah, but we're going to be putting out more videos. We hope y'all join in. We're going to have a new barn. We're going to be building it as soon as the weather breaks and the ground dries up. It's going to be built out of pallets. Let's take you out and show you these. Well, we got enough pallets for the barn. But we got all these pallets. That's what we're going to build it out of. Well, there'll be 2x4s and 2x6s, but this is going to be the frame of it. Pallets. It's going to be right there. Be pretty nice. Hope all y'all join in there. Yeah, we traded trucks again. But we hope all y'all join in. We're going to start kicking her up, kick some dust up. We're going to do some building, have a bunch of baby chicks, be working on a few lawnmowers, be doing all kinds of stuff. We thought we'd jump on here and catch y'all up to date. What's been going on? We've been, like I said, we've had a lot. My dad died. We've been sick, and the weather's been bad, but I'm gonna start trying to post a video every 2 or 3 days right now. Then we're gonna kick it up and get her going strong. But we hope all y'all jump in there and give us a follow or share. Well, follow, subscribe, tell your friends and family, and so this weather brace, we're gonna get cranking. I'd say another couple of weeks, but we're gonna start putting out videos every 2 or 3 days, and they'll be short ones, but might be some little minute ones and some 15-minute ones, but not gonna bore you with a whole lot, but let you know what's going on, what we're doing. Gotta get this channel built up. I'd like to get up to 1,000 subscribers anyway. I think I got 300 something, but I appreciate if y'all jump in and subscribe, check us out. Promise won't let you down. Content might be a little boring, but we're gonna be working on, well, we got the barn we're gonna be working on. Got a few lawnmowers, gonna try to get up and get them running before warm weather gets here, before grass season starts. What we do, we buy old lawnmowers, and if people don't want no more, we clean them up, fix them up, do all the oil changes, and anything that needs like serious cams or pistons or anything like that, we redo everything, put new belts on them and blades, and get them up and running and make a little money on them. But we hope all y'all join in. We're gonna have a bunch of new baby chicks. Hopefully these hens starts putting them eggs out, and get this thing going. So we'll catch all y'all later. We'll see you now. You here?